Bro-nya biasa aja dong. Bro, okay, bro. Welcome to the
Sis,
class.
sis.
Welcome to
Kalau-
the class.
Sis,
Oh,
kalau
sis.
sis, bukan. Sis,
Oh,
kalau
iya, kenapa?
perempuan itu Nabila.
Oke, tapi jangan salah. Aku pernah loh ada member namanya Sophie. Dan beliau itu bapak-bapak, guys. Jadi, your name doesn't define your gender, ya. So, don't worry about that.
Oke.
Oke, well ini mungkin kalian boleh banget dong di on cam kali ya. Ini kan day one banget nih, masa udah mau main petak umpet ya kan? So please switch on your camera everyone. Oh, we got Bro Chappy. This is Bro or is this not a China's fee? How do I call you? China's fee. Hello,
Chappy, Sis
Hello.
Salma.
Chappy.
Hello,
Yeah.
Sis Salma.
Good evening, Mrs. Salma.
Oh,
Good evening.
okay, good evening, good evening. All right, nice to meet you all tonight. Anyways, thank you for attending the class for the very first day, ya. Thank you for being here, everyone. Kalian lagi pada ngapain nih? Are you having your rest already? Yes, you're already having.
Yeah.
You're having your bedtime right now, ya? Yeah, 8 ya. Masih sore sih. Yang 20-an
It's
ini masih
already
sore.
night. It's already night in here.
Yes. Oh, where do you stay, Sis Nelly?
Perth.
I'm sorry?
Perth.
Perth, Australia?
Yeah.
Ah, I see. What season is it now there?
9 p.m. already.
Oh, it's just like 1 hour apart, yes.
Yeah.
1 hour apart. Oh, I see. Okay.
Same with Bali.
Exactly, yeah. Oh, actually, I'm curious, Sis Nelly. A lot of my friends said that actually Australia is also a subtropical country. There is no
Yeah.
winter there. Is that right?
Yeah.
Ah, that's very interesting.
One day is can be different
Different, how is it? Different like duration?
cuaca apa ya?
Oh, different weather.
Yeah.
Ah,
Sometimes
different.
raining, sometimes windy, sometimes it's like that.
I
10 minutes
see.
is different. 10 minutes different.
Oh, so I think it kind of similar to what happened and what's going on in Indonesia right now, sis.
Oh,
Yes.
it's very
So-
cold tonight. Yeah.
See, what is the coldest
nine-
temperature? Sorry?
Right now 9 degrees.
9 degrees. Oh, wow. What is the coldest temperature there, sis?
Pardon?
The coldest temperature.
Oh,
Temperatur paling dingin.
-1.
-1 is the coldest?
Yeah.
Ah, I see. What about the hottest? The hottest temperature?
Hardest 40.
40. Oh my God. It's almost like Arab. Almost like in Arab, yeah.
Yeah, almost same with the Nusa Penida, Bali. When I go to Nusa Penida, yeah, is 39 until 40 I feeling.
I
So
see.
hard.
Wow. But I think it may be different because in Bali we got a lot of beaches, yeah. So although the temperature is kind of high there or hot, but because of the beaches, so it's kind of windy, yeah. I didn't even sweat when I'm in Bali. But in Australia, they got desert, ya. Kalau di Australia itu kan adanya gurun ya, Sis Nelly ya.
Yeah, depend in the
On the location.
Yeah, in the Perth ya karena masih sepi ya. Jadi masih banyak hutan kota, but it's different in Sydney and Melbourne.
It's already a big city, ya, Sis, ya.
Yeah, because they are already big city ya.
I see. All right. Oh my God, thanks a lot, Sis Nelly. But I think I have to get another partner here ya. Aku sapa yang lain dulu di sini.
Hey, everyone.
Ada Sis Meipa, Bro Rahmat. Halo Bro Rahmat.
Halo Sis Salma.
Good evening Bro Rahmat. Ini ada Sis Meipa. Ini benar ya? Aku Sis Meipa atau Bro nih? Oke, ini ada Bro Chandra juga. Halo Bro, kamu kelihatan fotonya aja. Please switch on your cam. Sis Grace, finally I can see your face. Ada Sis Gilang juga.
Ya, halo.
Halo, Sis Alma. Good evening.
Oke, kalau gitu kita tunggu Sis Riana connected aja. Halo, Sis Lili.
Halo,
Good
Sis
evening.
Halo,
Sis
Sis
Grace,
Nelly.
Sis Lilis.
I'm
Ya,
good.
good evening, Sis Nelly. Hai.
Hai.
Good evening.
Wah,
Good
ini kayaknya
evening.
udah ada beberapa yang pernah ketemu sebelumnya ya.
Ya,
Oh, yeah.
This time
The
class.
our class before.
Hai,
Ya.
there.
Many
Alright.
2 times ya. More than 3 ya.
Bro Surya, Bro
So
Surya,
happy can
not
can
sing.
all
Oh,
together.
Bro
Bro
Surya
Surya
mana
is not
nih?
join that.
Bro,
It's not.
Oh, ada Bro
Ada.
Surya kah?
ya Bro Surya.
Oh, ini ada Sis Eva juga. Halo Sis Eva, good evening.
Ya, halo, si Salma. Good evening tuh.
Good evening. Ini ada Sis Riana, finally udah connected ya. Halo Sis Riana, you there? Can you hear me?
Ya, good evening, sis.
Good evening, Sis Riana.
Open cam, Sis Riana. Halo, Sis Riana.
Saking akrabnya jadi neng gitu ya. Baik, siap. Oh, ini masih di perjalanan Sis Riana.
Iya,
Oh,
masih di perjalanan.
Okay, I
Oh.
hope you will
Come back
arrive
to-
home.
Ya, comeback to
Karawang.
ini Karawang.
Oh.
Jauh banget nih di Karawang, ya ampun. Wish you arrive home safely ya, Sis. Semoga sampai di rumah dengan selamat ya.
Lami, thank you, sis.
Okay.
I'm just listening ya.
Okay, no problem, no
Okay.
problem. I think a lot of partners here also already know you ya, so it's not really a big deal now.
Ya.
Oke, kalau gitu ini udah banyak yang masuk, around 15. If I see maybe like we get around 20, if I'm not mistaken, if I see on our group ya. Itu kan kalau aku nggak salah, kalau tim dari kita itu ada 10 orang dan we got a lot like we got some of like 30 something gitu ya, 30-an orang. Ini sekarang ada 15, berarti mungkin 15-an lagi yang belum join malam ini ya. It's okay, we're gonna start right away. Kita mau langsung mulai aja ya. Like what I've mentioned previously, guys, that there is no special topic for today, just introduction ya. But I wanna show you too. Aku mau kasih lihat kalian sesuatu juga dulu. Nah, ini ya. There you go. Kelihatan?
Belum.
Oke. Nah, ini ya. Jadi ini dari modul kita dan ya emang ya yang dibahas hari ini hanya ini aja, introduction. Oke, tapi sebelum introduction, aku mungkin agak pengenalan materi aja untuk advance ini. Jadi sebelum kita introduction ya, let me introduce myself first and also our our model ya. Aku akan memperkenalkan diri aku dulu, sama sekalian aku memperkenalkan modul kita nanti kira-kira akan seperti apa like that. Okay, then hello everyone, hello again ya. So like what you see on my profile name here, my name is Sis Salma, so you can call me Salma or Sis Salma. Miss Salma ya, not Mercedes. Please don't call me Mercedes because I'm still 21 years old guys and haven't married yet. So please call me Sis Salma ya. Jadi silakan mungkin biar lebih akrab dan gak bingung panggilnya Sis dan Bro aja ya. Gitu. I'm going to be your learning partners. Jadi aku nggak akan jadi tutor di sini ya. Aku akan jadi teman belajar kalian. So feel free to ask me anything if you have any question. Don't hesitate ya, jangan ragu-ragu. Like that, okay? I think there is nothing special about the rules class here. Kayaknya nggak ada yang terlalu spesial ya tentang rule class. But I wish we can appreciate each other ya. By you respect me, by you appreciate me, then you will get my appreciation, okay? Jadi kita mengandalkan apresiasi aja. Kita saling menghargai aja ya teman-teman. Jadi kalau misalkan kalian ingin aku hargain, kalian juga harus menghargai aku kayak gitu ya. Caranya sangat simple. The first thing that you have to do is to first maybe when you want to leave ya, saat kalian mau pergi meninggalkan kelas gitu, silakan infokan dulu teman-teman di sini lewat chat box ya, lewat chat group. Kalau kalian mau leave, I don't mind, aku nggak apa-apa kok. Misalnya kalian ngantuk ya, karena aku tahu banget kalian pasti banyak berkegiatan ya sehari-hari ya. Jadi silakan kalian ya, jadi kayak chat aja gitu. Miss aku udah ngantuk nih, aku mau izin leave dulu ya kayak gitu. Dan satu lagi mungkin apa ya, by switching on your camera, dengan menyalakan kamera gitu ya. Kalaupun kalian nggak bisa on cam, silakan infokan aja kayak gitu. Tapi aku sangat berpesan sih buat yang masih di perjalanan ya, especially yang naik motor nih atau yang nyupir. It is better for you guys to join the class after you arrive at home. Lebih baik kalau kalian join kelasnya pas udah sampai rumah aja. Oke, because that's too dangerous ya teman-teman. Itu terlalu berbahaya. Dulu aku pernah ada member yang suka banget join kelas sambil naik motor. Nah itu sangat tidak disarankan. Kecuali kayak si Serina tadi ya, ada yang nyupirin gitu ya, jadi passenger aja, jadi penumpang. Itu nggak apa-apa ya, kalian sambil ikut kelas, malah produktif kalau kayak gitu. That's it. And then another rules is probably I wish you can participate actively. Semoga kalian bisa participate actively. Dan kalau kalian lagi berbicara sama orang lain, atau mungkin ada orang yang lagi berbicara sama kalian, boleh dimatikan dulu mikrofonnya gitu ya. Biar nggak beradu sama mungkin pertanyaan teman-teman, atau pas aku lagi ngejelasin. Pretty simple, sangat simple. Oke? Okay. Alright, now I think it's time for you to introduce yourself, friends. Ya, sekarang waktunya kalian introduce diri kalian masing-masing. Untuk modul advance ini agak beda sih teman-teman ya, sama modul-modul sebelumnya. Karena kalau di advance ini kita lebih banyak menekankan ke professional term. Jadi itu ada speaking, ada conversation maybe. Kayaknya conversation sih, lebih ke speaking ya. Ada writing-nya juga, tapi semuanya itu lebih ke profesional. Kayak gitu ya. Jadi the topic, the materials are pretty similar ya. Jadi mirip-mirip banget sebenarnya, karena hanya melanjutkan lagi yang sebelum-sebelumnya. Ya. But usually in my class, tapi biasanya di kelasku, aku tuh suka mencampur-campur aktivitas gitu. So usually I'm gonna give you something out of module. Jadi biasanya aku akan memberikan kalian tuh sesuatu yang di luar modul. It could be anything ya, bisa apapun. Nah, like that ya. So untuk ini sih biasanya kayak discussion room dan lain sebagainya kayak gitu ya. So please don't be surprised if one time I give you something out of module. Jadi jangan kaget ya kalau nanti aku kasih sesuatu yang di luar modul. Oke. Ya untuk modulnya itu aja, dan untuk perkenalan gue juga itu aja ya. Singkat aja, nggak usah panjang-panjang. Cause the spotlight is yours, guys. Sekarang waktunya kalian. You can start introducing your name by this. Giving your personal details, your name, your city, country of origin, boleh dikasih tahu nih negaranya asalnya di mana, kayak tadi mungkin ya si Snelly ya, Indonesian but live in Perth, Australia, you can. Terus personal interest, nah ini mungkin bisa kayak hobi kalian, bisa kasih tahu ya personal interest kalian atau hobi kalian itu apa ya. What kind of thing you love to do in your spare time, in your free time, right? And then you can add your professional point. Kalian bisa tambah sesuatu tentang profesional kalian. I want to see how you guys introduce yourself, yeah, by kind of appearing your professional points, yeah. Maybe I'm going to give you some feedback nanti yang di professional points ini. Okay, are you ready, guys? Ready banget ya. Alright, so let's just start ya. Who wants to begin? Anyone, please raise your hand. So we're gonna do in order. Bisa angkat tangan dulu, jadi nanti kita bisa in order gitu. Oh, interesting. Ini ada sis Gala atau Bro Gala nih? Bro. Okay, Bro Gala. Alright, Bro Gala. The spotlight is yours. Please introduce yourself.
Thank you for your time. I want to introduce myself. My name is Gala, and I'm a new member here. I'm not from the before class, and I do not know who you are. Is my friends in here. My name is Gala Arasi. I'm from Yogyakarta. So it's like kebiasaan ya to call sis jadi mbak terus jadi mas gitu. And I'm the student in University of Gajah Mada, agronomy as my subject. I'm semester 4th, my second years. because of I'm a student, I do not have any working experience, but I help my lecturer as assistant laboratory to do some plant research. And my hobby is also doing a plant experiment. I'm in like development of plant to develop a new variety and in vitro culture. And my education background, of course, I'm from senior high school. My language skills is I'm used the English language, Indonesia, and Java. I have a little the computer skill also, and my career interest. I'm interested to study, continue study to master degree at UGM also. That's from me, Gala. Thank you.
Wow, very interesting. We got Mr. Gala or Bro Gala over here, yeah. Students of UGM. Oke, mothers itu apa? Emak-emak ya. Kalau kata emak-emak tuh UGM tuh universitas. Ada yang tahu apa? Universitas apa? Ya, jadi UGM tuh katanya tempat universitas cari mantu ya. Jadi kalau mau cari mantu tuh silakan kalian cari anak UGM. Wah, ini mungkin yang cari silakan, udah ada Bro Gala di sini ya. Atau ada yang mau mencalonkan diri jadi pasangannya boleh. Gimana Bro Gala, masih open position gak nih? Open position gitu. Ngeri ya Bro ya, ngeri. Bro Gala itu di second year, tahun kedua berarti ya Bro?
Yes, at fourth semester.
Tahun kedua berarti you are in the same age as mine. How old are you Bro Gala?
20.
20?
Wah, berondong.
2020 banyak banget.
20. 20.
20. Wah, ya.
Wow, berondong.
Aku masih muda setahun lah ya, Bro ya. You're still my younger brother, tetap adikku ya. Oh, okay. So that's it from Bro Gala. Thank you, Bro Gala. We got another one in line now. We got Sis Nelly. Oh, I think Sis Nelly very excited already. Okay, Sis Nelly, please go ahead.
Okay, hi everyone. Good evening. I'm here to introduce myself. My full name is Nelly Sandra. People usually call me Nelly. Currently, I live in Jakarta, but right now I'm in Perth, Western Australia. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters. My favorite food is meatballs, but not spicy. I have many hobbies. One of them is cooking. Yes, I really like cooking. So among myself who also like to cook, I hope we can cook together someday. My basic job is I'm a nurse. Yeah, but right now I'm jobless.
Oh, why did you say that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I professionally to put infusion, install nasogenic tube, and minor surgery.
I see.
Yeah, I love my job, but right now I want to change my visa to get another job in Perth, hopefully. And this is the end of my self-introduction. Thank you for your attention.
Oh,
Pleasure to meet you guys.
nice to meet you too, Sis Nelly. Anyways, what is that? Is it like flexing or what, sis? I'm jobless now, but you're in Perth ya. Jadi kayak, oh, aku jobless sih sekarang, tapi aku udah di Perth, Australia. Like what the hell gitu ya. Okay, but that's fantastic, sis. Anything that you want to do, I wish anything that you
tidurnya.
soon ya. Semoga apapun yang Sis Nelly harapkan ya, soon secepatnya segera semoga bisa direalisasikan gitu ya, Sis Nelly ya. Oke, wah keren banget, nurse, perawat ya, perawat itu wah. Aku lumayan banyak member-member sebelumnya itu dokter, dan mereka itu orang-orang yang tegar, orang-orang yang sangat apa ya baik karena mereka
Independent.
sangat suka memberikan informasi, bahkan kadang kalau aku tanya tentang sesuatu yang maybe out of class gitu ya, they always answer it passionately, and they even like suggest me to like don't hesitate to hit me sis if you have anything to ask gitu ya. Okay, that's good. Thank you a lot Sis Nelly. Let's move to the next partner. Kita pindah ke partner selanjutnya nih, ada Sis Maipa. Boleh Sis Maipa, all time is yours. I'm sorry, I cannot hear your voice, Sis Maipa.
Maybe still.
Okay. You can try again.
Still
Okay.
cannot your voice.
Still cannot hear your voice, Sis Maipa. Well, try to switch your mikrofonnya, coba di switch deh. Karena ada banyak ya mikrofonnya, ada optionnya banyak biasanya. Atau mungkin kalau pakai earphone boleh dilepas dulu earphone-nya. You can try. Oh, ini dia Bro Surya yang dinanti-nantikan sudah datang. Hello Bro Surya, good evening.
Halo. Halo, sorry, I
Aku belum
forget.
pernah. No,
I
it's fine.
forgot my class.
Aku yang belum pernah lihat Bro Surya tuh jadi tahu loh yang namanya Bro Surya ya. Kocak banget.
He famous, sis.
Sorry,
You don't
sorry.
know ya?
Ya, kayak aku belum pernah
Sorry.
ketemu tapi tiba-tiba jadi tahu itu ya Bro Surya, gara-gara dari tadi tuh ini Bro Surya belum masuk gitu.
The one, the only in my class.
Oke. Wah, ini bentar Sis Maipa boleh dicek lagi Sis Maipa? Oke, masih belum terdengar Sis Maipa ya. Oke, mungkin if you don't mind Sis Maipa, aku geser ke yang lain dulu ya. Nanti Sis Maipa bisa sambil cek dulu, oke? Oke, Sis Maipa, I really apologize, but anyways, thank you. Kalau gitu kita langsung move aja. Ini ada Bro Surya. Oke, Bro Surya, the one and only katanya. Boleh kita cek the one and only ini seperti apa sih?
I don't know.
Please introduce yourself, Bro Surya. Go ahead.
Sorry, because I'm late. I don't know what is
Just
going on.
introduce yourself.
Oh,
Don't
okay, okay.
any excuse. Hello.
Okay.
Oh, aku udah nggak perlu ngomel, udah diwakilin ya. Thank you loh, Sis Nelly. Oke, boleh
Okay,
Bro
good
Surya.
day, good evening, everyone. My name is
Good evening.
Surya. I'm from Lombok. I live in Lombok already 10 years. Actually, my hometown is Makassar. So I moved to Lombok 10 years ago and living here because Lombok is a very beautiful place. So Lombok is the best place for life. My personal interest, I'm outdoor enthusiast. I love any kind of outdoor. Like I like hiking, climbing, rock climbing, bushcrafting. Yeah, in my day off, I go to the mountain or the forest. In Lombok, we have the most mountain. We call it Rinjani. So maybe everyone know Rinjani. Yeah, Rinjani is the beautiful mountain. Working experience, I'm working in a resort in Lombok. I'm working in Sheraton Senggigi Beach Resort. So every day I'm holiday because my resort have beach, a beautiful garden, pool, and yeah, you can work and holiday in the same time. Education background, I'm accountant. My education background is accountant also. My skill is I strong in math and counting money. Yes, if you need my if you need me to count your money, just send to my bank account. I will count it.
Just account ya,
Yes.
not give.
Hanya
Yes,
ngitung
please.
aja ya, nggak apa-apa. Ini kayaknya kerepotan banget, duitnya kebanyakan ya bro ya, sampai minta tolong ya bro. Oke. Well, I think that's it bro. Surya, I'm sorry to
Okay,
interrupt
yeah.
you ya.
Yes,
But
yeah.
that's quite long already. Thank you,
Yes.
thanks a lot. Wah ini aku suka
My
banget tadi.
pleasure.
Bro Surya Makassar, terus udah lama atau pindah ke Lombok ya bro ya, tapi Lombok is very beautiful, that's so true bro.
Ya,
Yes.
Tadi dikenalin
I
juga
agree.
kayak promoting his city gitu ya, mempromosikan kotanya dia Lombok seperti apa dan lain sebagainya. Very fantastic bro, thanks a lot for sharing.
My
Okay,
pleasure.
so let's move on to the next one. Ini ada Sis Lilis yang sudah ready banget dari tadi, udah mesem ya.
My youngest,
Thank you.
my youngest grandmother.
Yeah.
Yes, Sis
I'm
Lilis is my grandma.
Yeah.
Our
I'm
grandma.
Our
Yes.
grandma.
Bentar, ini ada sejarah apa ya? Kok bisa jadi grandma? Mungkin boleh langsung Sis Lilis perkenalan dan cerita ya. Go ahead, Sis Lilis.
Our
let's
beautiful
see.
grandma.
Thank you. It's Nelly. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Lilis Fatima. You can call me grandma because I'm old. Yes, maybe 5'3". My old.
Sis Lilis, sis.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
Yeah,
you don't
because
look
that-
like your age.
Oh, thank
You look
you.
so much younger. Yeah,
Thank you.
seriously,
Still beautiful, right?
Yeah, that's so
Thank you.
sweet.
Thank you.
Like
He
budak
using
kota,
baby
you know,
face
like budak kota.
filter.
Yeah,
Ah.
age is just a number ya. Usia tuh hanya usia tuh hanya angka gitu ya. Oke, Sis
Yeah.
Lilis, lanjutin dulu dong.
Okay, original I'm from Sukabumi and I live now in Pondok Gede, Bekasi, close to Taman Mini Indonesia Indah.
Oh,
I'm yes, I'm interested in learning English and Arabic if possible. I'm just a housewife. I can make clothes for the family, and then I can other handicraft. My daily language is Indonesian. Indonesia.
Sundanese.
Every day. Sundanese. No, Sundanese. Indonesia. But my daughter can speak Sundanese.
I see. Okay.
And then my English still bad, sis. I'm sorry, my English still bad. You can listen for me.
Yeah, it's fine. No, you already doing so great, Sis Lilis. Don't worry.
And computer or technology skill maybe not much. No much can. Only use a laptop for Zoom like now. And watching YouTube. Yes. Enough for me. Thank you, sis.
Oke, wah. You're most welcome, Sis Lilis. Ini kayaknya mirip sama aku sih ya. Pakai komputer tuh cuman buat nge-zoom sama nge-YouTube. Siap, kalau gitu ya. Oke, anyways, that's very nice. Aku mau sedikit apa ya, kayak ini aja mungkin ya, biar lebih kompakan gitu, karena tadi ada beberapa yang ke-skip. Mungkin kalian bisa pilih aja either this one, working atau education. So if you are a student, kalau kalian pelajar, kalian bisa kenalin ini aja. Tapi kalau kalian bekerja, kalian bisa working aja. Gitu ya. Untuk yang bawah ini, this one is kinda too, I don't know, like too general, terlalu umum gitu ya. No, not too general, like too specific mungkin ya, terlalu spesifik gitu. So you can just eliminate it. Jadi kalian bisa eliminate aja, nggak usah. Okay, that's it. Alright, so let's move to the next one. Ini ada Sister Gilang. Oh, I love your name. Udah di Sister Gilang gitu ya. Okay,
Hello,
Sis Gilang.
sister.
Okay, Sis Gilang, please. The spotlight is yours.
Yeah, thank you for opportunity. I will introduce myself. Hello, everyone. My name is Gilang Hanita Mayasari. You can call me Gilang. I'm come from Bandung, but I live in Cibinong, Kabupaten Bogor. Yeah, and I'm a teacher, Indonesian language teacher, and I really love read. I love books, so I have small library at my home, and some people come to join to my reading club, and I use computer or laptop for a standard basic like Microsoft Word and make PowerPoint, something like that. And beside I teach, I have online shop at I sell a book and books. Sometimes I sell clothes. That's all from me. Thank you.
Wow. I love that. I love that. You know, sis, actually, I'm so proud when you say that you own like a little library at your home. Yaitu kayak, I love reading as well, yeah, and I got bunch of books in my house. But me, I just put it in a box, yeah, and I never really reread the book that I've read again, yeah. Kalau aku tuh cuman ya udah aku baca sekali, habis itu aku simpen di box ya. Luckily, aku selalu selesai sih kalau baca buku ya. And I love that karena aku rasa ya, so far aku sekolah dari SD sampai SMA gitu, aku sekolah. Nggak pernah tuh aku nemuin guru bahasa. Kan kita punya 2 ya, kalau di sekolah tuh ada 3 malah biasanya nih kalau yang di madrasah. For me personally, I learned 3 languages at school, bahasa and English, also Arabic ya. But none of them ever actually taught me about like a literature gitu. Gak ada yang aku tuh nggak pernah diajarin tentang literatur, tentang buku ya. Padahal what I got from my friend, like from Korea and then from America, from Mexico, they said that they always learn literature or languages from like novel atau buku jurnal gitu ya. Tapi kalau in my case, I've never really learned by those. Aku nggak pernah belajar dari situ. So like I'm so proud hearing that there is a bahasa teacher who actually read books ya, yang benar-benar baca buku gitu. Karena aku tuh nggak pernah nemuin sebelumnya sih bilang.
Yeah, because and for now, many community about the reading club. It's
That's right.
Yeah, it's making give me a spirit and
motivate you.
Yeah, give me a spirit, and I have son, so for now I concern to give a more motivation for kids to love read read a book.
Reading.
Yeah,
to love reading. That's right. Yeah.
Brown
I think not long ago, if you bump into this news, guys, that Indonesia is on the list of one of the country with the minus or like the least literate gitu. The least literate ya. Jadi yang paling tidak terliterasi atau paling malas baca. Indonesia itu ada di salah satunya, sadly ya. Sangat disayangkan. Padahal we got the quantity, ya, kita punya kuantitasnya, kita punya populasinya, but we didn't have the quality ya. Tapi kita belum punya kualitinya. Jadi semoga by this small movement ya, this is small meaningful movement, walaupun kecil tapi sangat berarti ya gerakannya, movementnya sis Gilang tadi by opening the reading club or book club and stuff ya. It is very good for you to motivate your students and another youth, even your own children ya, to read more books. Oke, karena buku
Bravo,
itu jendela
sis.
ilmu ya. Bravo,
Yeah.
Sister Galang.
Ya,
Oke, wah.
thank you.
You're most welcome, Sister Galang. Thank you too for your motivation ya. Wah, ini sudah sangat termotivasi ya. Mungkin sekarang
Yeah,
udah nggak
very
ada yang
impressive.
ya udah nggak ada yang resen lagi. Mungkin aku yang akan pilih nih ya, yang dari tadi udah agak mesem-mesem tapi belum angkat tangan. Aku juga heran kenapa nggak angkat tangan ya. Kita dari, oke, I think I see the youngest one here, ada Bro Gala. Bro Gala tadi udah ya? Astaga.
Kalau udah,
Udah.
aduh, mau ngelamar lagi sis, mama.
Bentar, Bro Gala kamu baby face banget. I thought that. Aku kira kayak masih SMP atau SMA gitu.
Udah kuliah kok.
Udah kuliah, oke siap bro. Aku juga wong Jawa ya. so
Oh
you can-
ya oke.
Oh,
Iya mbak, iya mbak.
Karena biasanya tuh di kelas di kelas dewasa itu pasti ada tuh yang suka keselip kayak 1 atau 2 ya masih SMP, masih SMA. Tapi karena English capability-nya udah advance, udah bagus gitu ya, orang tuanya tuh masukinnya di kelas dewasa gitu. Nah, biasanya
Have you
kalau misalkan
girlfriend, bro?
how is it?
Have you girlfriend? Bro Gala?
Iya.
Bro, kalimatnya yang bener gini, bro. Do you have?
Do you have
Have a
Do you have
girlfriend?
girlfriend?
Ya.
No Pak, Om Surya, do you want to be my boyfriend Pak Surya?
Om Surya,
Aduh ya
Oke.
ampun.
Not
Good.
yet.
Astaga, ya ampun.
Why
Ini
Om?
kita pakai
Why
bro
Om?
and sis aja.
Om Surya, oh my God.
Oke, kita pakainya bro and sis aja mungkin ya untuk menghindari ketersinggungan
Oh,
di
ya,
antara
oke,
umat
oke, oke.
manusia ya, bro. Bro Gala.
Bro Surya still young, same with you.
Bro Surya, same with my daughter.
Yes,
You're,
I'm still young.
yeah, I know.
Gak ada yang bilang tua kok, Om.
Okay.
Like my son deh, my son.
Jadi Om juga deh, ya ampun. Gimana sih ini? Oke, udah. Intermezzo ya, intermezzo. Terima kasih loh buat Bro Gala yang udah ngasih intermezzo ke kita ya. Oke, nah ini kalimatnya benar seperti ini ya
Oh
teman-teman.
my God.
Nanti mungkin sambil intermezzo sekalian aku bahas ya. Ini yang kesalahan yang sering banget nih.
Apa?
Jadi ada 2 jenis pertanyaan teman-teman. Ada have you gitu ya. Atau do you misalkan. Nah kalau have you ini tuh kayak artinya tuh pernah atau nggak pernah gitu. Oke, pernah atau nggak pernah. Nah, jadi misalkan kalian mau tanya nih, sedangkan kalau do you itu punya atau nggak punya, ya. Kalian nanya misalkan, kamu pernah nggak punya pacar? Misalkan, for example ya, have you ever have a girlfriend? Nah, misalnya kayak gitu, ya. Jadi pernah atau nggak pernah gitu ya. Pernah nggak pacaran misalkan? Have you ever been in a relationship misalkan? Relationship ya.
Kalau dulu tadi
Ini
gimana?
nanya nih, kamu pernah nggak sih pacaran? Nah, kan kayak gitu ya. Nah, ini nanti jawabnya itu sama ya, sama kayak pertanyaannya.
Yes,
Kalau
I have,
pertanyaannya
ya.
have
Yes,
you,
I
nanti
have.
kalian exactly or no, I haven't gitu ya. Artinya ya saya sudah pernah atau saya belum pernah. Gitu. Nah, kalau tadi yang ditanyain sama Om Surya, udah punya pacar belum gitu ya? Itu kita pakainya do you have?
Do you
Apakah
have?
do you? Apakah kamu punya pacar atau tidak gitu ya? Nah, ini nanti jawabannya I do atau I don't ya. Ya, saya punya atau saya nggak punya. Nah, ini biasanya salah tuh di sini nih. Yang suka salah nih di sini ya. Jadi, do you have a girlfriend? Nanti jawabnya yes, I have. Padahal jawabnya yes, I do. Ya.
Biasanya Bro Surya jago kok sis bahasa Inggrisnya mungkin
mungkin
kelamaan
tadi
liburan.
Oke. Bukan sih, lagi merendah aja dia lagi merendah
Iya.
ya.
Pura-pura
Enggak,
dia
tapi-
biar dipanggil Om.
Oke, tapi tenang guys. Aku tidak menyalahkan kok ya. Ini aku cuma ngasih. Oke. to get, oh nih minta dikasih tutor nih Bro Surya, Bro Gala minta dikasih tutor. Jangan deh, kayaknya jangan sama Bro Surya ya mintanya ya, minta sama yang lain aja Bro Gala. Oke, aku tuh jangan deh, nanti terlalu fast of generalization ya. Kalau aku bilang biasanya rata-rata yang di Lombok itu asik-asik, seru-seru, tapi untuk dijadikan teman. Wah, tapi nggak tahu nih kalau versi Bro Surya siapa tahu beda ya kan. Pokoknya mah kalau Jawa ketemu Lombok tuh kayaknya agak susah ya, karena kepribadiannya terlalu gimana Bro, ya gitu ya.
I don't know. I don't have experience about it.
Oh, are you? Oke, bagus deh kalau gitu. Kalau nggak punya bagus ya, berarti Bro Surya kalau nggak punya apa tuh pengalaman yang
Nggak punya sekali.
mungkin boleh di-share nih yang mau, silakan taruh nomor rekening, nomor telepon aja kali ya Bro Gala ya. Nanti biar guru-guru kita ini love expert kita menghubungi ya. Oke, that's it. Wah, thanks a lot. Ini aku tadi milih Bro Gala lagi. Bro Gala udah ya, kita skip aja. Kalau gitu kita pindah ke Bro Syahril. Oke, Bro Syahril. Hello, good evening Bro Syahril.
Good evening. I introduce myself. My name is Sahril Hossein. You can call me Sahril or Hossein. I'm from Jakarta, South Jakarta. And then now I'm 66 years old. Yeah. Why I want to study English? Because I have a grandson, and he's
English with you.
every day he is speak English with his mom, and then I want to talk with him
To be
in
close,
English. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm retired from bank. No, I'm just at home. My hobby is sport, any kind of sport. Enough. Thank you.
Okay. Wow, you're most welcome, Bro Syahril. Fantastic. I'm so touched when you say that actually I learned English because I want to be closer ya, to get closer to my grandson. Wow. Ya, banyak anak zaman sekarang tuh yang ngomongnya bahasa Inggris gitu ya. Benar banget, Bro. Sebenarnya aku nggak masalah sih. Let me give an example. For example, siapa ya yang speak English? Okay. Maybe I will give example by public figures, children ya, anak-anak public figure aja ya, yang lebih kita kenal gitu. Contohnya itu ada anak-anaknya Ruben Onsu dan Sarwenda. Yes, they speak 3 languages. Mereka bisa ngomong
And
bahasa.
Gempi also. Gempi.
Ya, mereka. Yes, that's so true ya.
Because
jadi mereka tuh bisa
they
ngomong
study in English
international school.
International school.
Ya.
Yeah.
Jadi mereka tuh ngomongnya tuh 3 bahasa,
Daily speak,
tapi yang bikin aku suka daily speakingnya. Bener banget. Tapi yang bikin aku suka sama mereka tuh apa sih? Ini especially mungkin anak-anaknya Ruben mungkin ya. Karena mereka tuh walaupun mereka belajar bahasa asing, tapi mereka itu tetap menggunakan bahasa Indonesia sehari-hari. Ada nih yang tinggalnya di Indonesia, orang Indonesia, tapi totally, bahkan ada loh banyak fenomena zaman sekarang tuh anak-anak orang Indonesia, anak-anak Indonesia yang pertama
cannot speak bahasa malah, cannot speak bahasa.
That's so true, Sis Nelly. Mereka nggak bisa belajar bahasa, jadi kayak mereka tuh bahasa pertamanya bahasa
like
Inggris.
my patient like that.
Ya, kayak gitu tuh kayak aku agak miris sebenarnya. Udah literasinya kurang, ya kan? Tapi itu dia, kayak penguasaan bahasanya juga kurang. Nah, sebenarnya kita bisa belajar kayak di Korea dan di Jepang. Makanya kita tahu kenapa sih banyak banget nih orang yang interest sama bahasa Korea. Karena orang Korea itu menjunjung tinggi bahasanya. Ya, jadi kalau kalian mau komunikasi sama orang Korea, ya kalian harus bisa ngomong bahasa Korea. Sama seperti Inggris. Kalau kalian mau bisa berkomunikasi dengan orang Inggris, ya kalian harus belajar bahasa Inggris. Ya, karena ini mungkin para teachers di sini dan orang-orang yang bekerja ya, para profesional. Kita tuh punya standardized bahasa asing. Kita kan punya ya, kayak Inggris tuh ada IELTS, ada TOEFL, Korea itu ada TOPIK, kalau China itu ada ASK. Nah, Indonesia nih belum punya nih. Belum punya loh kita standardized ya kan, proficiency test bahasa Indonesia kita belum ada. Mungkin kalian para profesional bisa ngajuin atau bahkan kalian yang jadi pionir nih bikin salah satu proficiency test bahasa Indonesia. Jadi orang mau masuk ke Indonesia tuh gak lalu lalang seenaknya menggantikan para like replacing the the locals ya, replacing the pribumi ya, and they are becoming the like they're the authorized one ya.
They guess in here, but like owner.
Like, yeah, that's right. Itu dia. Makanya jangan terlalu gampang. Sekarang kita jangan terlalu mudah ya kan. Karena orang-orang kita kalau mau keluar negeri sih Snelly mungkin ngerasain juga dan yang lain merasakan juga ya kan. It's not
very difficult ya, dipersulit ya.
Mereka nggak mau
We already
orang-orang
have standard for Indonesian language for bahasa.
language. Oh really? Bro?
Yes,
What is it called?
we call it UKBI, Uji Kemampuan Bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah, but that ushit when you apply visas, bro.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, it's different. We apply visa, working holiday visa in especially in Australia and America, US. You must be.
You must have
the TOEFL and
proficiency test.
Yeah, it's different.
500.
Yeah, that's so true. Exactly, ya. That's it, ya. Oh, ini Bro Gala. Oh ya ampun, aku day one, I already got Sis Salma. It will be good for us if you telling a story or speaking using English. Okay, bro. If you tell, bro Gala, if you tell, if you were telling, ya. Okay, again, another feedback. Masukkan lagi. Bagus. Here, if you are using the verb ing, guys, please make sure that you have add the be before it, yeah? Be here probably like isam are only. Isam are, ya. Be, there are a lot of be, ada banyak be. Bisa be dalam bentuk be, been, yes, and many more, yeah. And then verb ing, like this. Okay, if you don't have be before it, then you can just use the verb one, yeah. This one is actually like tenses, but I'm not sure do we have tenses or not. Yeah, we're gonna check it later. Nanti seiring berjalannya waktu mungkin bisa aku tambah-tambahin tenses like that. Okay, that's for your intermezzo. Thank you. Let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna go with let's give it a chance. Another chance for Sis Meifa. Use your audio. How is it? Your audio, Sis Meifa, is it okay already? Can you say something? Okay, still not audible ya. Sis Meifa masih nggak terdengar suaranya ya. Okay. Alright, so it's okay, Sis Meifa. Let's move on to the next one. Kalau gitu kita ke next one lagi. It's okay, Sis Meifa. I feel bad ya. Aku juga kayak gimana nih? I know that you really want to introduce yourself, but unfortunately, ya. Let's move on to Sis Yani. Ini yang di bawah-bawah. Aku lihat Sis Yani on cam. Please, Sis Yani.
Your microphone, Sis Yani.
Don't forget to unmute, Sis Yani. Please
unmute.
Please unmute your microphone, Sis Yani. Switch on your microphone. Here, you can.
Not your own cam, but your
Okay. Okay, maybe she will take some time. It's okay. Oke, ini sambil nungguin Sis Yani ya, kita sekarang mungkin aku secara general aja nih ya. I want to, there are a lot of island in Indonesia ya. Alright, so
ya, bentar lagi saya nyusul.
For everyone who stay in, untuk kalian yang dari pulau. Okay, Sis Yani, please.
Hello.
Yeah,
thank you
please.
for the opportunity. I'm Yani, and it's nice to meet you here, all of you, Eva, Pak Syahril too, my last class friend from my last level. But I'm very happy to meet you, all the newcomer for me. Thank you. Okay, my name Yani, and now I live in Yogyakarta. Yeah, and I think I'm very happy if I can join you because I'm look like Pak Syahril. Yeah, I'm more than midlife because now I'm really a grandma because now I have 5 grandchildren.
Wow, still beauty, still gorgeous.
Thank you. Yeah. I joined you because I think it's for me for exercise for my brain, because now in my because age factor I think it's for me. I need to exercise my brain because it's
like
now
to remember something, Sis
to
Yani.
my memories to remember something. It's not like when I was young. No, it's difficult to remember the new memories like that. So
Same with me, sis.
yeah, you are still
Me
young.
too, actually me too. Like I'm
No,
I feel
you're
like I
still
forget
young.
I forget my phone, I forget my everything, like always, all the time.
Yeah, but so thank you if you can give me change for join you and to practice English every day from Sunday until Friday. That is all for me. I think enough, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, wow, that's very fantastic, Sis Yani. Okay, well, another
That's
storytelling,
good.
guys. Talking about language, yeah, that's all right, Sis Yani. So an experiment has been done, yeah, by a bunch of like scientists. Yeah, they kind of bukan expert. They kind of do an experiment which they they classified people who speak one language and more than 2 language, multilingual ya. Jadi mereka multilingual. Mereka membandingkan, they compare those who speak just one language and those who speak more than 1 language, and the result is very surprising, yeah, because those who speak more than 1 language tend to has a higher rate of focus and they remember anything more longer. Jadi mereka itu fokusnya lebih tinggi, mengingat segala sesuatu lebih lama. But maybe like the side, yeah, the negative side is that they sometimes mix or get confused when they speak. Gitu. Jadi kelebihannya mereka lebih fokus, punya ingatan yang lebih lama, tapi kelemahannya biasanya mereka akan bingung kalau ngomong karena bercampur-campur bahasanya, like that. So if you say that you want to learn language to kind of maybe like kind of exercise or like do or like keep your memory, yeah, to make anything longer. So I think you already choose the best decision, sis. Udah milih pilihan terbaik, sis. I wish you have a long life, healthy, and obviously always happy, ya, Sis Yani. Ya.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Oh, you're most welcome. Okay, guys. Well, we got already like 2 minutes left. Kita cuma punya 2 menit lagi nih, dan lumayan banyak sih yang udah kenalan ya. Mungkin lastly, aku akan close aja dulu untuk hari ini ya, introduction-nya. But since we got a lot of island in Indonesia, kita punya banyak pulau nih di Indonesia ya. Karena kita negara kepulauan ya, so I would like to classify you because last time my class ya, they have a bukber. So Jakarta people ya, and then Medan people, they have bukber karena mereka ketemu kan tuh akhirnya geng-gengnya yang dari daerahnya masing-masing gitu ya. And finally they meet up in real life ya, and they become stronger friends, stronger family ya. So maybe here you can also find your friends in real life ya. Mungkin kita bisa lebih dekat lagi nih, tidak terjarakkan oleh waktu dan tempat ya. Okay, so anyone who stay in Jakarta, anyone, siapapun yang ada di Jakarta boleh raise hand. I was born in Jakarta, but then I moved to a city called Pekalongan. Aku nggak tahu sih ada yang tahu Pekalongan atau enggak ya. Dan aku tinggal di Jakarta. Wah, itu jadi aku juga di
Where is
Jakarta.
Jakarta, sis? Where is Jakarta?
West Jakarta, Sis Nelly. Sleepy.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah,
I'm in Tanjung Duren.
Oh, really? Oh, really, sis? Oh,
I'm
please
from
come back.
Yadika. My high school in Yadika.
Oh, come back to Indonesia, Sis Nelly. Let's grab some coffee ya.
Yeah.
Oke. Jadi siapa yang dari Jakarta boleh raise hand dong, bisa pakai reaction mungkin ya, raise hand-nya biar kelihatan kayak gini, raise hand. Nah.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, ada Sis Nelly tadi, ada Bro Cinasvi, oke, Bro Cepi. Siapa lagi? Oh, ada Bro Rahmat juga. Wah, ini udah nggak puasa ya. Guys, if you want to have like a bukber or like gathering, please go ahead ya. Oke, siapa lagi yang dari Jakarta? Oh, just the 4 of you, cuma 4 aja nih kalian. Oke. Oh, Bro Syahril juga di Jakarta tadi ya, Bro. Oh my God, I forgot.
Iya.
Ya, ada
Jakarta
Bro
Selatan, Bro Syahril.
ada Bro Syahril, Bro Cepi, Bro Rahmat, and Sis Nelly. Ya, mungkin nanti ada lagi, silakan ya. Contact each other,
Dari
guys.
Jogja banyak tuh, Sis Grace Jogja.
Sis Grace Jogja. Bro Gala juga Jogja. Oke, next one tadi ada yang dari Jogja. Mungkin yang dari Jogja, please raise your hand guys. Selain Bro Gala sama, oh Sis Yani juga dari Jogja. Ada tadi Sis Grace. Where is Sis Grace anyways? Oh, that's it. Okay, I'm sorry that I didn't notice you. Okay, Sis Grace, 3 of you ya. Yang dari Jakarta boleh diturunin dulu mungkin ya. Jadi Jogja ada Bro Gala, Sis Grace, ada Sis Yani. Wah, boleh. Silahkan datangi universitasnya Bro Gala ya untuk Sis Grace dan Sis Yani dan berikan dia sebuah pelajaran. Oke.
I live near UPN, sis.
Oh, really?
UPN, yeah, UPN, STIE, UII.
I have a family I have a relative who is currently studying in UPN, UPN apa ya namanya? UPN deh kayaknya sih. Kalau aku nggak salah.
UPN, iya. UPN, ya, North Ring Road ya, Ring Road Utara, nearby UII, STIE, Atma Jaya, Babarsari.
Wah, banyak banget sih ya. Kalau talking about Jogja, there's always been a university because it is also called like kota pelajar kan ya.
Kota pelajar.
Ya.
Benar banget. Oke. Wah, nice banget.
Center ya UGM ya.
Oke. Wah. So nice ya. Anyways, ini tadi aku udah dengar beberapa dari kalian juga kasih tahu ya your motivation. Some of you already told me your motivation of learning English. Sis Yani said that she wants to like keep her memorize. Yeah, we got Bro Syahril who wants to have a closer communication with his grandchildren. Yeah, Sis Nelly, she wants to pursuing her career in Australia. What about the others? Kalau yang lain motivasinya apa sih? Mungkin aku tanya dulu dari siapa nih ya? Mungkin boleh Bro Gala, what is your motivation, Bro Gala, to learn English?
Okay, my motivation is in UGM. There was some kayak exchange student, so I interest to do a conversation, but I'm not confident much to start it. So my speaking skills not specific in grammar because my grammar is still bad too. But I want to improve my confidence in speaking.
Okay, you want to improve your confidence in English, and the bonus maybe you can also join exchange program ya bro ya. There are a lot of.
Bro Gala, di Jogja kan sering banyak bule tuh. Ajak ngomong aja.
Iya benar banget.
No, sis,
So
because
fun.
I think I'm an introvert, so I'm not
Oh,
open to discussion.
introvert. Ya, emang ya kalau ngomong sama anak zaman now tuh ada yang introvert, ada yang extrovert, like not my zone, not my
Iya.
cup of tea like that ya. But it's okay bro, Gala, to learn ya, untuk belajar. Dulu aku juga kayak gitu. Anak zaman aku I went to Jogja when I was in elementary school, terus ketemu sama anak-anak study tour dari Australia kalau aku nggak salah waktu itu. So aku ngajak ngomong mereka, padahal aku dicuekin, tapi aku ngajak ngomong terus sampai ada yang respon aku. And that's the thing ya. If you want to be able to speak the language, then you have to make the language as a home ya, sebagai
Yeah,
rumah.
I'm so because I'm so like that when I
So like that. Okay.
yeah meet bule I speak I try to speak with them.
Try
Biar
to
lah.
speak with girl, bro.
orang sana udah tahu kok kalau orang Indonesia itu sukanya SKSD ya. Jadi santai aja teman-teman.
Is that only girl, Bro Surya? Oh my God.
Oh no, why not boy? I always try to like,
Because
picking up
he
the
don't-
boys.
Because he not have a girlfriend.
Bro Surya nih mau niat ngomong nggak sih
You
bro?
can hear, bro.
Gitu.
You many girl, bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
Introvert is not a
Banyak
reason,
ya.
bro.
Yes. Oke, lah ternyata banyak ya. Ada yang personal reason, ada yang maybe like professional reason, ada juga yang educational reason. Anything that. Thanks a lot for being here ya teman-teman, for pursuing it ya, untuk mengejar itu semua. Kalau kalian ada di sini, berarti kan kalian berusaha untuk itu ya. Oke, Mas Brony, thank you. Oke, ini ada Sisiani, I was graduated from UGM too, and you're right, Sis Salma, I found my husband there too. Oke, ternyata tempat cinta bersemi ya UGM ya. Oke, nah boleh nih, mungkin nanti Bro Gala silakan minta arahan ke Sisiani karena beliau yang sudah terlebih dahulu menemukan pasangannya ya. Oke, well, it's already 9:05 everyone, udah jam 9:05. I think it's time for us to say goodbye ya. We'll meet again tomorrow. Oh my God, I'm so happy to meet you all tonight. So thank you for your participation and your cooperation.
Thank you very
Ya,
much.
Sarah.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
sis.
very
Thank
much.
you,
I wish you happy.
Sis Salma.
Have a good night.
Nice to meet you.
Malam,
I'll see
Bapak
you again
Jeti.
tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Have a good
Bye-bye, everyone.
New friend.
Bye.